One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You can carry on for a long time without real refreshment, but the soul knows the difference. It knows the difference between surviving and being renewed, between functioning and actually drinking deeply again. And I sense that many have been faithful in those dry places, holding on, praying, pressing forward, and yet inwardly there's been a longing for something that truly restores. And the Lord is answering the deepest cries of your heart. For the Lord says, I am the one who is bringing my peace to you, the one who is renewing and refreshing you, the one who is bringing my fountain of life to you. For where you have walked through dry places, the water of my spirit is coming. I am the one who is stirring up strength within you, the one who is empowering you by my spirit. For I'm drawing you close, I'm drawing you near to my heart. Don't be afraid, don't allow fear to enter, but be filled again with my spirit in this day. Be filled anew with my love. For I am the one who is refreshing you, the one who is restoring you, restoring that which is deep within you, restoring life to you anew. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.